Command, engine 12 portable.
It is important to understand that this video only demonstrates techniques used to decontaminate responders believed to be contaminated with radioactive material. As with a traditional hazardous material decontamination setup, barricade tape, traffic cones, or pre-marked tarps can be used to identify the decontamination corridor and doffing positions. With the assistance of the decontamination workers, the responder's firefighting helmet is removed and gently placed in the designated collection receptacle. As the responder nears completion of the decontamination process, the SCBA facepiece is removed and handed to the decontamination worker. The decontamination worker turns off the responder's SCBA and places it in the designated collection area. In the final dress-down step, the responder removes their remaining pair of medical exam gloves and places them in the disposal receptacle. Finally, the responder reports to the designated staging area for contamination survey monitoring by the Radiation Authority. Remember these points. Establish a decontamination plan. Responders or equipment that entered the hot zone will require decontamination or approval of release from the Radiation Authority. During the dress-down steps, be careful to avoid cross-contamination. Upon completion of the dress-down process, report to the designated staging area for a contamination survey. And provide a report on decontamination corridor operations to the incident commander. Controlling the spread of radioactive contamination at an accident scene requires proper planning and training to successfully manage the accident. If a hazardous material has been released from its container, package, or transport, responders have the responsibility to plan for and manage the possibility of contaminated persons and equipment at the incident scene.